Okay, so hi guys, manonood pa kami ngayon ng Final Destination Bloodline. So ito na po talaga, the moment of truth. Then, runs in the family. Let's go. Okay, so papasok na po kami guys. Woo! Ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa loob. Simulan na guys.
Themes, language, violence.
One ang. Hello! Hello! Oh! Oh! Hindi! Oh! Oh! Ginako ka, ginako. Tapos na guys. Oh my god. Tapos na? Tapos na. Okay guys, so kakatapos lang po namin manood. Thank you so much Final Destination for giving another trauma. Picture na mga na-trauma guys. And 1, 2, 3. Wait, kay ma-Final Destination taan eh. Palayo, palayo. Mga na-trauma ng Final Destination. Hello! Final Destination 4. Nakain ng escalator. Hello? Final Destination. Okay, so watch Final Destination Bloodlines now guys in cinemas nationwide. Over. Okay, so bumili na kayo ng ticket para hindi lang kami yung ma-traumatize dito. Damay-damay na to.